Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects the way the body processes glucose, or blood sugar. One of the potential complications of diabetes is neuropathy, or nerve damage, which can lead to foot problems. These foot problems can range from minor issues like dry, cracked skin to more severe complications like ulcers and amputations. Fortunately, there are several natural ways that people with diabetes can prevent foot problems from occurring. 1. Keep your blood sugar levels in check. One of the most important things you can do to prevent foot problems is to manage your blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can damage the nerves and blood vessels in your feet, which can lead to foot problems. By keeping your blood sugar levels as close to normal as possible, you can help prevent these problems from occurring. This may involve taking medications as prescribed, following a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. 2. Take care of your feet. Proper foot care is crucial for people with diabetes. This includes keeping your feet clean and dry, wearing shoes that fit properly, and trimming your toenails regularly. It's also important to inspect your feet daily for cuts, blisters, or other injuries that may not be immediately noticeable. If you have difficulty reaching your feet or have poor vision, ask a family member or friend to help you with foot care. 3. Wear the right shoes. Wearing shoes that fit properly and provide support is important for people with diabetes. Shoes that are too tight or too loose can cause blisters and other foot problems. Look for shoes that have a wide toe box, plenty of cushioning, and good arch support. Avoid wearing high heels or shoes with pointed toes, as these can put extra pressure on your feet. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help improve blood flow to your feet and lower your risk of foot problems. It can also help you maintain a healthy weight, which is important for managing diabetes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercises, such as brisk walking, every day. If you have neuropathy or other foot problems, talk to your doctor before starting an exercise program. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can help you manage your blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight. Aim for a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, as these can raise your blood sugar levels. In conclusion, there are several natural ways that people with diabetes can prevent foot problems. These include managing blood sugar levels, taking care of your feet, wearing the right shoes, exercising regularly, and eating a healthy diet. By following these steps, you can help keep your feet healthy and lower your risk of complications.